Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to this channel. I do appreciate your time, your comment, and everything that you guys are doing for me. I might say I am very much grateful to you all. Thank you very, very, very much. Yeah, so let us get into the ingredient that I use to make my palava sauce. Okay, very, very simple recipe. Don't go anywhere. Kindly tune in and let us start making our palava sauce. So let's get into the ingredients. All right, I have my tomatoes, three medium tomatoes, two medium onions, green pepper, fresh pepper, garlic and ginger, my spices, eggs, my zumi or the palm oil. I have my mackerel and the spinach puree. Okay, you can use any meat or fish of your choice, but I prefer using mackerel. Okay, but if you don't have the spinach, you can substitute with kontomire. My Ghana people, you know kontomire, yeah, you can use that one to substitute the spinach. Okay, so don't go anywhere. I have in my Maggi cubes. It's optional, okay? So if you don't like Maggi, don't worry yourself. You can just use the natural spices, okay? And my salted fish, all right? So we're about to make our stew. I got all these ingredients from the market, all right? All these ingredients you will get it in the market, okay? So the spinach, if you don't find this one, you can use the frozen ones that they sell. I mean in Supo or any market, you can get it there, all right? First of all, I'll cut my ingredients into the size and shape that I want and then blend all of. This is the mixture of the onion, garlic, ginger, fresh pepper, fresh tomatoes, and the green peppers, okay? And I'll be using it to make my authentic Ghana palava sauce. You can actually eat this sauce with your rice, your yam, your plantains, and anything that you can eat it with, okay? It depends on the individual choice, okay? But I like it with rice or yam, okay? You'll be preparing it together. Yeah, so as you can see, I have already added my oil. Okay, you can see it in the pan, and I'll be adding in my sliced onions. Okay, and I will allow it to be on fire for about a minute. Okay, and when the onions are ready, I will add in my salted fish. Okay, that is my momone. Those of us in Ukraine, you can get some in Supo or Novos, okay? More money, you can get it, okay? When it comes to this palava sauce, okay, trust me, the salted fish will be doing justice, okay? Everywhere is smelling like salted fish, okay? Don't mind me, okay? So let's continue. I've added my mixture to it, okay? And I'll allow it to be on fire for. Whilst your stew is on fire, please be checking it. We don't want the stew to burn. And one thing about this palava sauce is that when it burns, it changes the taste, okay? It's not nice anymore. So please cook it at low medium heat. At this moment, I will squeeze out the water from the spinach because I don't want my stew to be on fire for a very long time, okay? And I'll try to make it ready and then add it to the stew, okay? And as I said it earlier on, you can use kontomire to substitute the spinach, okay? And if you have the fresh spinach, go ahead and use it, right? That one is more nutritious than this one, okay? Now I'll open my mackerel and separate the oil from the fish, right? Because that oil is not good to consume. Okay, it was just for preservance and we'll take it from there. Yeah, as I told you earlier on, you have to be checking your stew and stir. Okay, you make sure you stir it very well because we don't want our stew to burn. All right, and soon I'll be adding my spinach puree to the stew and you take it from there. Okay, my rice is already on fire and I can't wait for this stew to be ready. And it's now time for me to add my spinach or my kontomire. Very, very simple recipe. Okay, you have to stir. Please be very careful of the fire because I've said it several times that whenever your stew burns, it changes the taste and it's not nice anymore. So you have to make sure that you check your fire from time to time. Yeah, I'll be adding chopped green pepper and onions to the stew at this moment because the stew is almost ready. Okay, it also adds to the taste. I'll be adding mackerel to my stew, okay, or any meat or fish of your choice, you add it at this moment, and I'll be adding in my eggs, okay. The eggs are optional, okay, it's not mandatory for you to add eggs to your kontomire or spinach stew, okay, but I prefer egg in it, okay, and it's very, very nice. You can try it. Yeah, very, very yummy. As you can see, I am stirring in my stew. All right, I don't want the eggs to be separated. I want everything to be mixed with the stew. All right, kindly try this recipe and you will not regret. Very, very nice. Yeah, I bought some eggs and I'll be adding them into my stew. And I have already added in my salt and my cubes. Okay, all the spices I have added in. You can add any spices of your choice. Cooking is very diverse. You can try this recipe of making your own spinach or kontomire stew. Very, very simple and nice recipe. Okay, nice. You can serve the palavasauce with your rice, your yam, your plantain, and anything that you like to eat it with. It depends on you. Very, very simple recipe. And please comment and share my videos. Please, if you have not clicked on the notification button, please do so. Okay, thank you very much. And if you are new here, thank you for joining me and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another recipe. Thank you. Bye.